Who, Willie?
Hey baby,
Why are you following me around?
I have no idea what you were talking about.
I keep hearing a cowbell, and I know that it is you.
Yay, more cowbell.
I like a good cowbell once in a while, but you are on my last nerve. I never had trouble with you before they turned that dang harp on.
More cowbell.
How do you feel about the bullshit string theory?
More cowbell.
Do you have any desire to improve this world and wake up to the true reality?
More cowbell.
I will not be encouraging you to call my show on Blog Talk Radio.
More cowbell.
I will see you on Sunday, and I request that you do not play your cowbell. Toodles.